So Samsung just pulled the covers off its brand new smartwatches at Galaxy Unpacked. And man, they're bringing two totally different vibes. On one side, you've got the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, sleek, stylish, boardroom ready. On the other, there's the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2025, a rugged beast that looks like it was made to wrestle mountain lions and come out scratch-free. Now sure, at first glance, they look like polar opposites. But if you dig under the surface, there's actually a lot they share. Let's start with the stuff they've got in common. But before the deep dive into the video, a quick reality check. Over 98% of you watching right now aren't subscribed. That's wild. Hitting that button doesn't just grow this channel. It genuinely keeps me motivated to keep digging, scripting, and dropping the best leaks and updates before anyone else. If you made it this far, chances are you're into it. So why not make it official? Thanks, and let's dive in. Both are running on Samsung's brand new 3nm Exynos 1000 chip. Translation, they're fast. Like, I'll open 5 apps while tying my shoelaces fast. You also get 2 GB of RAM, Wear OS, and Samsung's shiny new One UI 8 skin. And yep, Samsung's promising 4 major updates, so your watch won't feel like a potato by next year. Here's where things get spicy. These are the first Samsung watches with Gemini AI baked right in, which means you can literally talk to your wrist like a sci-fi hero. Start workouts, get your emails summarized, maybe even plan world domination. Totally hands-free. Sure, that feature is coming to older Galaxy watches too, but these two are first in line. Now for the health stuff, and Samsung didn't just tick boxes, they went all in. You get the usual tracking, but also some very cool new tricks like sleep apnea detection, vascular load insights, an antioxidant index, and a bedtime coach. I don't fully know what that last one does, but it sounds like something Gwyneth Paltrow would sell for $300. And yes, both watches have it all. Display, absolutely gorgeous. We're talking Super AMOLED, 3000 nits of brightness, sapphire glass on top. Whether you're under blazing sun or 30 feet underwater, you're seeing everything crystal clear. GPS is also next level with dual frequency L1 plus L5 support, so even if you're hiking in the middle of nowhere, your watch still knows exactly where you are. Creepy. Maybe. Useful? Definitely. So far, both watches are neck and neck. Same AI, same sensors, same GPS, same software, same display. But now we hit the fork in the road. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic brings back the fan-favorite rotating bezel. It's smooth, tactile, and just so satisfying to use. The body's made of stainless steel, and honestly, it looks like something a CEO would wear to a board meeting or a rooftop bar. It's that clean. Then we have the Ultra. This one said to hell with elegance and came dressed for war. It ditches the bezel, swaps in a titanium frame, and looks like it could survive a car crash and still tell you your heart rate. Surprisingly, it's lighter than the Classic, thanks to that titanium, but the screen's a little bigger. More display, less weight. Not a bad trade. And then there's battery life. The Classic gives you around a day and a half, maybe 2 if you turn off every fun feature and squint at it from a distance. But the Ultra, that thing's a power tank. Easily pushes past 2.5 days, and if you throw on power-saving mode, you're looking at up to 100 hours. You could forget your charger for the weekend and still be good. Both are water and dust resistant, but the Ultra doesn't just dip its toes. It's got 10 atm water resistance, that's up to 100 meters, and it can survive extreme weather. Brutal heat, bitter cold, underwater chaos, bring it on. The Classic, not quite built for that kind of abuse. Storage is the same for both, a generous 64 gigs, which is more than enough for apps, music, or 100 photos of your dog in sunglasses. Now, connectivity. Small but important difference. The Classic comes in Bluetooth and LTE options, so you can choose what suits you. But the Ultra, it's LTE only. No Bluetooth-only version, which means it's always ready to roam without your phone. And let's not skip the buttons. The Classic keeps things traditional. You've got your rotating bezel, your home, back, and a customizable button. But the Ultra adds a twist, a customizable quit button that also works as a ridiculously loud SOS siren. I'm talking 86 decibels loud. That's the kind of thing you'll appreciate when you're lost on a hike or trying to scare off a bear. Or your neighbor. You do you. Oh, and there's a new feature exclusive to the Ultra called Energy Score. It uses Galaxy AI to tell you how ready your body is for the day. Kind of like your personal coach, minus the shouting. Now let's talk money. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic starts at $499 for the Bluetooth version and $549 if you want LTE. The Ultra? It's a one-size-fits-all deal, $650 LTE only. So the big question, which one's right for you? If you want a classy, stylish watch that fits right in at the office or a dinner party, and you love that rotating bezel, go with the Watch 8 Classic. But if your life's more adventure, less conference room, if you want something tougher, smarter, louder, and more independent, the Watch Ultra 2025 is clearly built for you. Both are impressive, both are powerful, but they're made for very different people. Now it's your turn. Are you Team Classic or Team Ultra? Let me know in the comments. Smash that like button if this helped and hit subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. Catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.